Good afternoon. Here are your sight words for today. The first word is toward. Read. Spell. T-O-W-A-R-D. Toward. One. O-N-E. One. Large. L-A-R-G-E. Large. So. S-O. So. Again. A-G-A-I-N. Again. Look. L-O-O-K. Look. All. A-L-L. All. Bin. B-E-E-N. Bin. Women. W-O-M-E-N. Women. Come. C-O-M-E. Come. Have. H-A-V-E. Have. Our sound spellings. Ready? E. I. Sound. E. Sound. E. Sound. Sound. A. Sound. R. Sound. Es. Sound. O. Sound. A. Sound. O. First sound, O. Second sound, ow. Sound, ch. Sound, eh. Sound, ink. Sound, ing. Sound, eh. Sound, ah. Sound, ah. Sound, First sound, U. Second sound, oo. Sound, A. And our new sound for today, I.